What we found was, for a wide range of conditions of the algorithm, the organisms that saw the truth went extinct. They weren't able to compete with the ones that didn't. And one of the things that came out of it was seeing the truth takes too much time and energy. It's complicated to see the truth. And if you have a simple trick that lets you do the same thing without having to have a deep insight, then you can get the same benefit. You can get the benefit without having to put all the effort out. I can give you a concrete example of an organism that does this. That's pretty funny. So there's the jewel beetle. It lives in the outback of Australia. It's dimpled, glossy, and brown. The males fly, the females are flightless. So the males are flying around, of course, looking for an eligible female. It turns out that men in the outback tended, for a while, were drinking beer with these bottles that were also dimpled, glossy and brown. They throw them out into the outback, and they turned out to be dimpled, glossy, and just the right shade of brown to grab the attention of the male jewel beetles. They're actually on the bottle. They're full body contact. They're crawling all over it, and they still think it's a female. So how much do they know about their women? Very, very little they know about their women. A female is something dimpled, glossy, and brown. Apparently, the bigger, the better. And that's what a female is. So you can see evolution didn't give these male beetles much insight into their females. They gave them just enough information to successfully reproduce, period. And that's sort of what evolution does. It gives you just enough information to reproduce before you die.
So they're all making love to this beer bottle
That's
because
right.
they can't tell, they can't see
That's right.
reality. They can't see that this isn't a woman, this is a beer bottle.
That's right. That's one of the more humorous examples of what evolution has done. It does things on the cheap.